welcome back. And oh,
Mm.
we're gonna be making a graham cake.
Mm-hmm.
What shall we start off with?
Today we're gonna use graham biscuits. Mommy already mixed
The
what is this?
like
Condensed milk,
and the
all-purpose
all-purpose
creamer, and
Butas na. Sorry.
this is the result na. This is the result.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you may be wondering why is there a plushy octopus here? Well, I just won this from
Party.
a party
Last night.
last night. I made new friends there.
Okay. So what I'm doing is, you make latag.
What's latag?
Latag, ganyan. Lagay mo. O, lagay mo.
Okay.
Okay. Kailangan pantay-pantay anak, ha?
Oh wait. Oh,
Huwag to kasi sira to.
this one.
Ayan. Okay.
This one.
So wait lang. So para pantay, this one is, we will cut it like this. So pantay na, di ba?
Yeah.
And then this. And
It
then,
already looks yummy.
So it look like, ayan, kita naman.
It looks like- it
So
looks
pag may
like that.
first layer ka na ng latag, what you will do, Yana, is you will put a layer of cream like this. Oops. And then spread it along the graham. Kasi magne-next latag tayo. Okay? Go, do it. Gandahan, anak. Gandahan. Sige, bilis. Sige, ako mag-aayos. Sige pa, more pa. Huwag mag-spill, ha. Go, yan. And then, all over, hanggang makoveran lahat sila. There. Oopsie. Yan. And then, yun pa. There. Oopsie. And then, the latter naman. Then, spread mo. Yan. Perfect. Yon.
So much.
Okay.
I'm gonna put some extra.
Yan. Oopsie.
Please help the spoon.
Okay. Yan. Oopsie. And then here, kailangan mabasa lahat ng biscuit. Stop.
Stop.
Then,
Oh gosh. Starkey!
then isa pang lata. Ano nga ba ito? Dahil pag naglatag ka ba, lalagyan mo na ng fruit? Lagyan na natin ng fruit. Ganun ba yun? Or biscuit po ulit?
Actually, kasi napagpapit na alam eh.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some fruits na.
Okay, doing that.
What's in it?
Again?
Bye, mami lang siya.
Yeah?
Sino pa na yan?
Ooh,
We'll put some
fruits.
fruits.
Can I pick a fruit?
Or latag muna. Latag muna yata. Bread muna. Biscuit again.
Biscuit. Are you sure?
Yes. Sure na ako. I'm sorry. Sige na.
The process is getting a bit challenging.
Go.
Biscuit again.
Yeah.
Daddy is...
Here. Latag the second layer like this. Huwag mo lagyan. Anak mo lagyan mo sa natin yan. Like this. Sige, go. The third one.
And then...
Yun, galing. Oh, you're getting better, ah.
I already did it. Can you take
Okay,
it?
this one.
And then this one.
Okay. And then next is that. Sige na, muna dad. Okay na yan, dad.
That's enough. Daddy, that's enough.
Sige. Sige, baka matapon pag wala pa tayong makain mamaya. Go. Sige, tapos ilas na lang natin yung fruit. So, top na lang yung fruit. Oh. So here's what Yana is doing.
Pour. Wait, what are you doing, Dad? That is good. Spread it.
Oh, let's spread. Spread it.
Spread it. Take this. That should be done. Don't forget to fill in the edges.
Oh, fill in the edges.
Oh, and then it's done.